Yes, man, we are here. We are finally here for another day and another vlog out and about. We are here at Burlington because a lot of you been saying, Big B, when can we get another store challenge? Well, today is today. Now listen, man, I ain't been in Burlington like 10, 15 years, so I don't know if they're gonna let us do this. But by plane, train, automobile, or force, we gonna get this done, all right? Let's do it. All right, man, so I'm trying to find what they have available. And if I get kicked out, I guess it really doesn't matter. I don't come here. Ships ahoy, matey.
You gotta let me know it. Ships ahoy, matey.
What? Land ho? Not a hole on land.
What?
I found some. There's a lady standing right there. I said land ho. There's a lady right there.
Okay.
All right, cool. I think we found it. It's up front.
But you're probably really gonna get kicked out.
Doesn't look very promising. Let's see what they got over here. Let's get it. Oh, Perriellis M. So if you guys who been around for the channel for a while, do you know that this fragrance right here was almost the death of me. This is the only fragrance that fought back. It sprayed me in the eye. If I can, I'll link that video down below for you because it was rough. All right, let's see what we got here, man. Got to dig in the trenches, see what we got. Got a bunch of nothing, man. Shit's whack. John 3 a.m. I talked about that. Is this the one they told me to get? Blaze? It's supposed to be like Spice Bomb, I think. We did a $25 budget, right, before? 50? I don't know, I think $50 is fair for this type of store. $50 budget, challenge, or whatever. Maybe we'll stay in it, maybe we won't. How much is this? $10. Ooh, so that would keep us in our budget if we did this. I'm gonna pick this up just because I think this is the one somebody told me to pick up. Could be wrong. May or may not smell good. All right, man, so we went way out of way to get here. And I think we're gonna go back to where we know, where people shop more. So therefore, we may find some things. I think Marshall's was good last time we went there. So we're gonna try Marshall's, maybe TJ Maxx. And I think one of us put Ross gave us a problem, so forget Ross. We're gonna go Marshall's and TJ Maxx. Try them out.
Denied?
Yep, as always. All right, thank you. Have a good one. All right, man, so we spent $10 in our budget today. So we're gonna see what else we can get. $10 is not bad, man. Hopefully this fragrance is as good as I think people told me. I don't know if this is like a thing or not. Did you guys tell me to pick this up? It doesn't matter because it's too late because I purchased it. Now, here we go. $50 budget, we spent $10. We're gonna see what else we can get. We got $40 left. Will we succeed? Will we find some gems? Can we find at least 2 more fragrances? I think we can. Why? Because 1, I'm a genius, and 2, I'm a genius. Why you give me that look? You don't think I'm a genius? No?
It's because your wife's with you.
Yeah, I had to. She makes me a genius. It's like a team effort, man. You know? You know? Shout out to Burlington because they were not dicks. I thought they was gonna be assholes about it. Like, get that camera out of here, but they weren't at all. No one cared. Actually, that guy was behind us. I was talking about if they tell me I gotta get out of here, I don't care because I don't come here. No way. He didn't give 2 shits. He was like, whatever, man. Do you get the fuck out my face? It's hot out here as always. What I got on Millesime Imperial, in case you were wondering, Creed. I did not mean to wear Millesime Imperial today though, but I did. So it is what it is. Look, man, we made it to the second destination in the courts. I think this is like the courts of University Town Center. Don't like quote me on that because I have no idea. But now we're going to Marshall's. Marshall had some steals and some deals last go around, so let's see what happens. Remember, we got 40 smackaroos left in our challenge. Can we get 2 fragrances worth something? Not none of that peon shit. We need some great smelling fragrances, but I don't know if we can find them. We will see here shortly.
Cashier number 1, please.
All right, man, so we here, but it's like condensed. It made this like super small. Before we had like some rows, and then we got like one little section. So I'm not sure if this one's gonna work out. We might have to go over to TJ Maxx and see what they got. But in the meantime, let's browse around here, see if I can find some steals and some deals for the low. What is this? What the fuck is this? It's only $5. Smell like a barbershop, like, but better. This is not a bad fragrance. I think I came across it once, but so little. It's not worth it.
Cashier number 2, please.
She, $17. But I feel like we can do better. It's $10. I'm not familiar with this though. I've never smelled this. You striking out, baby. Almost broke everything on camera.
Cashier number
Lemon, cedar, and amber. Sounds like it could be alright, right? Lemon, cedar, amber. Citrus, woody. Let's check it out. Sweetness. Put this back in the bottle. Put that back in there. That's not cool. Mandarin zest and cedarwood. Someone obviously sprayed it on the box and they left it, so it may not be good.
Cashier number 1, please.
No, this is bad.
Cashier number 2, please.
Yeah, that's bad. But Jimmy Choo Ice Man is here, which is not a bad scent. The difference is you probably picked it up online for a lot cheaper than $80, even though the $50 is not a bad price point, but it could be better. I think we're gonna have to pass on everything in here. There may be 1 or 2 that we could grab, but I feel like if we blow the budget here, then we have nothing to do at TJ Maxx. All right, man, so there was nothing in there worth buying, so we're gonna head over to TJ Maxx, see what they got. I will not be defeated. Sometimes this happens, man, you know. Try a place, they don't got what you want. You gotta keep searching, keep hunting, you know, keep on going and see what we can have, man. Hopefully TJ Maxx does not let us down, because if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm gonna implode. Looking like, what is you doing? You guys ever tried vlogging before? People look at you like you're weird. It's 2019, people. It's not weird anymore. We're in TJ Maxx now, and this is the women's section. But sometimes they be mixed in with men's stuff like this. Elizabeth Taylor's Passion for Men. It's purple and gold, which means royalty. And Versace the Dreamer. I think I put that on my outdated fragrance list, so you can't pick that up. You got Versace Arrows for women. You want to bring your lady over here to check this one out. Not a bad price. So we're already finding more steals and deals than we've seen at the last two places all together. So TJ Maxx may be the place to be. All right, man, so they changed up this section as well. It's like every store that we went to, they said forget about the men. We only want the women to smell good. So this is all we got. One little section. That's it. Let's see what we can do though. What can we find? Okay, man. Guess seductor. What is this? Reaching Wood. Sounds like it sucks, so I'm gonna pass on that. This is this Polo Blaze again. I feel like this is a bigger bottle than we got for a cheaper price. Is it? Mm-mm. I would pay $10. Mm-hmm. It's classic St. Bart's Tommy Bahama. Striking out, buddy. We're striking out. I think I'm gonna hold this L. Put L's down in the comment section. Taking the L. Wax sauce. I'm gonna go down here. I think the clearance section last time had some Mugler fragrances in there, so we'll check it out. Guess it's just onions now. This is a bust, man. We didn't get anything. Now I feel like we gotta go buy full price stuff to make up for it. All right, man. So we came, we saw, we failed. All collectively. There was nothing here, man. You guys can see there's nothing here. But if I missed something, comment down below like Big Beard B. You missed the gym. But I don't think I did. I feel like I picked up the only thing that I missed last time, which is that Blaze. And I have it now. So we'll go home, we'll try that out. Maybe, who knows, we'll stop and get something on the way home to make up for this waste of time. And if I do, I'll share that with you guys at the crib. Alright? So we finally made it back after a long, stressful day of trying to search for some steals and deals. Did we come up with the W or did I fall with the L? I would say that I took an L because I did not finish the challenge. In this case, man, I'm gonna say I took an L because one, we only got one fragrance. But at the same time, man, it could be a W because I got to keep some money in my pocket. So here we go, man. I picked this one up. I almost dropped it. Polo Club Blaze, and this is Beverly Hills, right? So I believe back in one of the early videos, somebody told me, Big Beard B, you missed a gem. You got to pick this one up. So hopefully I wasn't wrong. Let's see what we got here, man. If this is what I think it is, at least from those comments, and this one should be like a replica of Spice Bomb. There's your box. It ran as 10 smackaroos. This bottle was really weird too. So I have a thing about Polo Club, man, because like I said before, you know, in the hood you couldn't wear Polo Club because it was considered fake and knockoff. Let's see what we got here though. Okay. Not bad. It's kind of like a greener version of Spice Bomb. It's not bad at all, especially for $10. I mean, damn. I'm gonna spray Spice Bomb over here and check it out, man. Just gotta see how close they are, cause it smells similar, but you never know, man. 300 look like a Bentley till a Bentley pull up. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got here. Okay. Okay. You can definitely tell that Spice Bomb itself has a bit more quality there. But honestly, I'm not sure if it's that much difference up close. God damn. All in all, man, despite like not being able to pick up a ton of different fragrances today, I definitely think that this one is a hidden gem, or maybe it wasn't hidden because a lot of you guys out there knew about it and I didn't. This one is dope, man. Very, very, very close to Spice Bomb. I have Spice Bomb on this hand. Here it is, right? Spice Bomb is on this hand. Spice Bomb is just more potent than Beverly Hills Club Blaze. Off top, the notes are very, very similar. This one, again, higher quality. At least you can smell a bit more quality, a bit more potency there than you have in Beverly Hills Club. You may have to reapply this one more, but for $10, I mean, what is this one for in store? 90 bucks. I haven't purchased this one in a while, but $90 in store, let's say 90 bucks, right? Versus $10. You can pick up a few bottles of this one and be A-okay. Damn, this is solid, man. Beverly Hills Polo Club Blaze. So Eau de Toilette and EDT on both of these. God damn. I feel like these should be like a challenge fragrance. Like they should go head to head in the challenge. Listen, man, that's what I picked up. Okay, let me know if you saw something in the video. Big, you missed out on this, all right? And I'll go back and pick it up, man. Listen, like I did this one, I will do that because we're here, we're family, we build together. So right now, man, that one is certified, stamped, and approved. I will get you an official review out at some point. I gotta see how it performs. What's the projection? What's the longevity like? And everything that's important when we talk about buying fragrances. But for $10, I mean, shit. I mean, you might not be able to go wrong at all on that. So that's what I have for you guys today. As always, I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And do me a favor, hit the goddamn bell.